Most stock analysts are wrong most of the time. However, some analysts are better at predicting the future of stocks for specific sectors during specific industry cycles. Stock Target Advisor runs millions of calculations every week to review the performance of analysts in our database and determine their most recent historic accuracy. Our unique global analyst screener allows you to quickly find top analysts for any sector based on the rating accuracy over the most recent 6 or 12-month horizons. Start by choosing top analysts from the Analyst Ratings menu. The table on the top Global Analyst Screener page shows a list of analysts in our database, including their names, ranking, number of ratings, number of price targets, number of stocks covered, median rating accuracy, median target accuracy, and median target returns. For example, if you choose advertising agencies in the sectors filter, you will see a list of all the analysts in our database which cover this sector. By sorting the rank column, you can see which is the top analyst for this sector, which at the time of the making of this video was Morgan Stanley. Morgan Stanley has 49 ratings and 46 price targets for 15 advertising agency stocks, with a rating accuracy of 99%. This means that 99% of the ratings for advertising agencies made by Morgan Stanley analysts were correct. A correct rating means that when an analyst made a buy or a hold recommendation, the stock's price went up, and when the analyst made a sell rating, the stock's price went down after 6 months. The median target accuracy for Morgan Stanley for advertising agencies is -8.5%. This is not necessarily bad. It just means that the median target set by Morgan Stanley for any advertising agency stock was 8.5% below the actual value of the stock after 6 months. The median 9.73% target return means that following Morgan Stanley's buy or sell recommendations can yield a median return of 9.73%. If you only want to filter the top 10% of the analysts for advertising agencies, you can select a from the accuracy grade filter at the top, which will only show the top 10% of the analysts for advertising agencies. You can also select whether you want to see the accuracy and returns over a 6 or a 12-month horizon by selecting the option from the accuracy time frame filter. Paying subscribers can download the analyst accuracy data in a spreadsheet for further analysis. You can click on the analyst's name to go to its profile page, where you can see additional performance data for all sectors. Analyst accuracy can change over time, and we update our analyst accuracy records every week so you always know who the top analysts for your favorite sectors are. Thank you for watching this video. You can find other training videos on our YouTube channel or on our website.